Hello everyone, it's the AWAS. I put together this video for those of you interested in upgrading your dual sport motorcycle muffler, in my case, a 2022 KLX 300, to one that breathes better and sounds a little better, but without blowing out eardrums or scaring off the local wildlife while you're riding in the woods. After some research, I decided to go with the Delkevic Stubby 14-inch carbon fiber oval muffler, which fits the KLX 300, but it also fits the older KLX 250s. I've ridden with this muffler for about 5 months now and absolutely love the looks, the sound, the feel, and in my opinion, a noticeable difference in performance. I also added a larger diameter snorkels, so the combination seems to work well. The muffler came with 2 different baffle inserts, so I decided to run a non-scientific based decibel test using the Decibel X app to compare the differences. Since it's hard to tell the difference via YouTube video and audio, the decibel tests were insightful when comparing the levels to those that can cause permanent ear damage. Okay, let's see the decibels with the stock exhaust. 2022 KLX 300. This one's with the screen type baffle. Right now the decibels outside, rustling leaves, quiet home is what this describes it at about 40. When I talk it gets up to 50. So here we go. Okay, now we're going to try it without anything. And there it goes. Alright, versus the one that came in stock. But let's give it a sound without anything. Now without anything. See what this one does. This is the one that came stock inside, already placed in the muffler. I don't know which one I'm going to keep. We'll see. I'll analyze this once I see the video. Let you know according to the app what the description of the decibel is. I guess I want to stay in the motorcycle range. I don't want to stay in the food blender or subway range. It's especially when you're in the woods. The Decibel X app enabled me to record and compare sound tests on the decibel chart at idling and at revving to around 6,000 RPM. The findings were interesting. As you can see by the colored dots on the line graph, red indicates high decibel levels at 90 or above, and yellow indicates moderate decibel levels below 90. According to the decibel sound charts from numerous sources, motorcycles fall around 90 decibels and cars around 88. According to online research, sustained decibels at 90 or greater can lead to hearing damage within 30 minutes. It's easy to go over that while riding motorcycles, not only from the sound of the engine, but also from the wind noise, even when wearing a helmet, which is why I wear earplugs when riding. With all that said, I chose the Spark Arrestor Baffle. Why? Well, because it's not as loud, it still sounds great, and it offers spark protection while riding in the woods. I absolutely love it, and have been riding with it for about 5 months now. Hope you enjoyed this video and it gives you a little different perspective on mufflers if you're considering installing one on your motorcycle. Thanks for watching, and please like and subscribe. Thank you.